Hello everyone, welcome. If you're new here, welcome to Let's Cook with Elle. And today I bring you this yummy stir-fry noodles, guys. Sometimes you have to slay that instant noodles. You don't always have to have it plain. Add some good stuff just to spice it up a bit. So if you'd like to know how I made this noodles, then please keep watching. So this video is sponsored by Costack Spices. Guys, I've been using this in so many dishes. Like I really like the taste that it brings to a dish. So I'm basically doing a series showing you different dishes that you can use with this Costack Spices curry powder. And if you're not subscribed yet, then consider subscribing, and also check out the description box below on where to purchase this. So without further ado, let's get started. All I'm using is vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using some stir-fry vegetables. So there's carrots inside, there's red onion, there's mixed bell peppers, and all the good stuff, guys. You can use any stir-fry vegetables of your choice. So I've got 2 packs of noodles here. So the noodles that I'm using comes with its own seasoning. If your one doesn't, then you can use salt or all-purpose seasoning. It's completely fine. And I've got this Costack Spices curry powder, which I'm going to be using. As I said, it's sponsored today's video. Please see the description box below on where to purchase it and where to find them. So that is it, guys. So for more information, please see the description box below. So let's enjoy. So I'm starting with placing my pot to a hob, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. So guys, as you can see, the water is ready. So now I'm going to add the noodles. I'm going to add in the noodles. So once the noodles start to loosen up like this, before I add the seasoning, this is what I do, guys. Literally, I always do this. I remove some of the water because it's just too much water. I want the water to be on the same level as the noodles. So I'm happy with this. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to season it. As I said, the noodles that I'm using has its own seasoning, so I'm adding that in there. I'm mixing it until it's a bit flexible, but I don't want it to be too soft because I'm going to mix it again with the vegetables. So if you allow it to proper cook, then you know what's going to happen. It's just going to be all mushy. It's not going to be nice. So guys, once the noodles has loosened up, then you can get off heat. Don't worry too much about the liquid. You can discharge it if you like, or you can mix it together with the vegetables just to make it more moist and juicy. It's completely up to you. Getting the wok. This is where we mix everything together. This is where the magic happens, guys. This is where the magic happens. So I'm adding a bit of oil inside the wok, not too much. Then add my vegetables. So I'm going to season the vegetables with about a teaspoon of Costack Spices curry powder. Trust me guys, a little goes a long way. With this curry powder, there's so many things you can cook with it. You can make jollof rice with it, you can make stew, you can make any stew, like meat stew, chicken stew, and so many, guys. I recently made rice with this, I made so many things with this. It's just amazing, and I love the smell of it and the taste of it as well. And a small amount goes a long way. This one lasts you a long time. So this comes in different sizes. So you have the 5 grams, 100 grams, and 250 grams. So then, now that everything has mixed together, I'm going to add in the noodles and rapidly mix it together. So now that it has mixed together, it is ready. Et voilà, c'est prêt à manger, guys. It is done. This is how you slay that instant noodles, guys. As I said, you don't have to have it plain, you can spice it up. As you can see, I hope this video was helpful. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for Costack Spices curry powder again for sponsoring today's video. Just look at the color, guys, it gives to the noodles, and the taste, it's just amazing. I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll speak to you all on my next video. Bye bye.